Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here at Oramigami, where we have fun with paper. Today's video is going to be a quick one. We're just gonna learn how to do the 3D origami pieces for 3D origami models. And first we're going to start with the paper. This is normal printing paper, A4, and for you guys in the US, letter size would work as well. If you cut this paper in half, you'll get this size, and then this size, and then this size, and so on. And for normal printing paper, I would suggest to stick with these three sizes, the 16, the 32, and the 64, because they work best with printing paper with a GSM or gram per square meter between 80 and 110. And if you're gonna go smaller, I would suggest going with a thinner kind of paper with around 40 GSM. And if you're gonna go larger, I would suggest something a little bit thicker, around 200 to 300 GSM. And now I'm going to show you how to make the 3D origami pieces. And I'm gonna do it with this one, the 4 size, because I want everything to be clear for you guys. So first, we're gonna valley fold it in half. Like this. Then we're going to bring these 2 points down. And we are going to do it in a way that the points are symmetrical in the model, like this. And then we are going to set our crease. We're gonna flip the model over, not the model, the piece over, and we're just gonna bring these 2 points to this edge here. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Then we're gonna valley fold these 2 flaps upward, like this, like this. And then we're gonna valley fold the whole thing in half. And this is the piece. I'm gonna do it one more time with something a little bit smaller. So first, we valley fold it in half. Bring the 2 points and make sure they're symmetrical like this. Then we set our crease. We flip over, do any adjustment like this one, and then valley fold these 2 points, valley fold them up, and valley fold the whole thing in half, like this. One more time. Valley fold in half, bring the 2 points like this, and valley fold the corners to the edge, valley fold them upward like this, and then the whole thing in half. And that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video to be useful, and I encourage you all to go and experiment with 3D origami. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.